Hello folks, welcome back. DeepAI is an AI technology company that provides a range of tools and services for developers, businesses, and individuals. The platform offers various AI-powered APIs, including image and video processing, natural language processing, and machine learning. One of the key features of DeepAI is its ability to generate art, edit images, and create videos using AI algorithms. Users can upload images or provide text prompts to generate custom artwork, edit photos, or create animated videos. The platform also provides APIs for image recognition, object detection, and sentiment analysis. DeepAI's platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing developers to integrate its AI-powered APIs into their applications. The company provides documentation, code examples, and support to help developers get started with its APIs. DeepAI's technology has a wide range of applications, including content creation, social media, e-commerce, and more. The company also offers a range of free tools and services, including an AI image generator, AI art generator, and AI video generator. These tools allow users to experiment with AI-powered content creation and editing without requiring extensive technical expertise. Overall, DeepAI provides a powerful platform for developers, businesses, and individuals to leverage the power of AI for content creation, image and video processing, and machine learning. With its user-friendly APIs and range of tools and services, DeepAI is a popular choice for those looking to harness the potential of AI. Test this tool, and please do let us know your comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another tool.